As a content creator, I spend a lot of time out shooting and editing videos. And yeah, I've had my fair share of injuries and pain. At one point, I even had to go to the doctor for acupuncture therapy. Whoa, that was spooky. But the pain still lingers, especially in my shoulders and lower back. It's not super serious, but I've always been looking for a cheaper, effective, and less intimidating way to deal with it. Plus, I really want something compact and portable so I can use it whenever the pain starts instead of waiting until it gets serious enough to see a doctor. So when Prungo reached out to me with the latest red light therapy module, I just couldn't wait to give it a try. It's equipped with a 650nm red light and 850 light infrared polarized light. What that means is it generates deeper and more precise therapeutic effects, which should outperform most similar products on the market. But doesn't live up to the hype. I've been using it for about a week now, and in this video, I'm going to share my honest experience with it and also answer some questions you might have, like, is it safe? Is it effective? Should you give it a try? Well, buckle up and let's find out. Starting with the unboxing, as you can probably tell from the packaging, it's really well finished box, even at this crowdfunding stage. And by the way, you can find the link in the description. Under the foam padding, we've got a high-quality portable case, some paperwork, 2 rows of connection bands, and 2 charging cables. One cable has a Type-C port for charging the case, which by the way has an LED indicator inside to show when it's charging. The other cable is magnetic and used to charge the modules individually. Just a quick note, make sure to remove the film from the charging contacts before using it. Now onto the Prungo module itself. On the back, you'll find 6 650nm red lights and 4 850nm infrared polarized lights. I'll show you how they work a little bit later, though it's not recommended to stay directly at the illuminated area. On the sides, you'll notice these groove slots, which are designed for securing the straps and connecting multiple modules. On the front, we have 2 buttons, the power button and the mode switch. To turn on, you press and hold the power button, and the mini LED panel lights up to show the mode you are in. Sure, press the mode button to switch between mild, medium, and strong. Once you pick the mode, press the power button again to confirm, and the back will light up with the red light. The LED panel also shows the mode, the countdown timer, and the battery level. To use it, just strap the module to the spot where you need therapy. The adjustable straps are super versatile and can fit almost any body part. I mean, every bit of the body, but even I can strap it on securely. Sometimes though, when I'm feeling lazy, I just place the module directly on the area I want to treat without strapping it. That works fine too, as long as the light is in contact with your skin. To choose a mode, the manual explains it well. In short, mild mode lasts 8 minutes, great for pre-exercise warm-ups. Medium mode runs for 15 minutes, ideal for post-exercise relaxation. Strong mode, which I use the most, lasts 20 minutes and is perfect for muscle pain and inflammation. So, how does the Prungo feel? Almost generate heat, but it's most noticeable in strong mode. For me, it's comfortably warm, never too hot. With the switch ends, a beep lets you know it's done. After using it for a week, I've noticed some real improvements. The strain in the treated areas feels reduced, and I feel much more relaxed. The pain relief is definitely noticeable. I mean, I can run faster, jump higher, or maybe even do some kung fu kicks. Okay, that might be a bit of an exaggeration, but you get the idea. It's super comfortable to use and it just feels better overall. Prungo's Indiegogo page goes into great detail about the exclusive technology like the polarized infrared laser and advanced focusing lens, which are supposed to deliver deeper, precise, and efficient pain relief. I cannot verify all those technical claims, but compared to other products I've tried, including bulky massagers that can be too intense for some people, Prungo feels just right. It delivers the gentle energy you need without being overwhelming. Now, the big question. Are red light therapy modules safe? Based on my research, yes, they're generally safe to use. Prungo is FDA-Cleared, which adds peace of mind. These devices are non-toxic, non-invasive, and considered safe for most people. That said, if you have certain conditions like immune deficiencies or photosensitivity, it's important to follow your doctor's advice. It's also recommended for people with chronic pain to consider using it for targeted relief. To wrap it up, I'm genuinely impressed with the Prungo Red Light Therapy module. It's compact, portable, and incredibly easy to use. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you can get relief whenever you need it. I also love the modular design. It's versatile, easy to target specific areas, and the straps make it a breeze to use. The battery life is a big bonus. From my testing, even in strong mode, it lasts around 4 sessions on a single charge. That's a solid 80 minutes. Combined with the charging case, it can provide a total of 9 hours, which greatly eases any worries about running out of power. Plus, it's IP65 waterproof, so even if you are using it after a sweaty workout, it won't be a problem. If you're after an effective, convenient, and safe way to tackle pain or discomfort, I'd definitely recommend checking it out. And if you're interested, it's currently available on Indiegogo. Don't miss out on the best deals. Grab yours now. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.